video, I will talk about the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. Hypothalamus and pituitary gland are the major control center for the secretion of most of the hormones in your body. As we said before, that hypothalamus is an integration of both endocrine system and nervous system, and its role in the endocrine system is that it's directly or indirectly control the secretion of most of the hormones in your body. In the hypothalamus, we have these neurosecretory cells. What we mean by neurosecretory cells? They are nerve cells that secrete what? Secrete hormones. So we can say these nerve cells secrete hormones. The hormones that are secreted by nerve cells in the hypothalamus are ADH and oxytocin hormone, and also they produce RH and RIH hormone. What are RH and RIH hormone? Are releasing hormone and release inhibiting hormone. The hypothalamus it's connect to the pituitary gland through this short stalk, and we can say the hypothalamus regulate the anterior pituitary through these blood vessels, and the hypothalamus can regulate the posterior pituitary through these axons of the neurosecretory cells that are located in the hypothalamus. So again, these neurosecretory cells are type of nerve cells that secrete hormone. What are the hormones that secrete by these nerve cells or neurosecretory cells? They are ADH and oxytocin with RH and RIH. How many releasing hormone we have? 6 RH. We have 6 releasing hormone. And how many RIH we have? The release inhibiting hormone. They are 2 release inhibiting hormone. The ADH and oxytocin, they are produced in the hypothalamus in this neurosecretory cell and travel through the axons of the neurosecretory cell into posterior. In the posterior pituitary gland, they stored and released from here. When the body needs them, the ADH or the oxytocin, they release from the posterior pituitary through blood vessel to their target cells. What about the RH and RIH? They are also hormones that are produced in hypothalamus in this neurosecretory cell and travel through the blood vessel to where their target, which is the anterior pituitary. This pituitary gland have two main parts, anterior and posterior. If the posterior have no ability to produce any hormone, just only storing the ADH and oxytocin, and then release them when the body needs them. While the anterior pituitary gland, it has the ability to produce and secrete 6 hormones: FSH, LH, DSH, ACTH, GH, and prolactin. All of these 6 hormones, they are secreted from here, from the anterior pituitary gland. But at which time it's secreted? When a signal comes from hypothalamus, from RH, releasing hormone, it will stimulate the hormone to be released. And also we have RIH, the RIH, which is release inhibiting hormone. It inhibits the release of hormones, for example, growth hormone and prolactin.